Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna to show you how to type 1/4 in MS Word document. So friends, if you need 1/4 in MS Word document, so there is very simple and quick method. We can use symbol for 1/4. So just to insert that symbol, click on Insert tab, then click on Symbol. In here click on More Symbols. Now friends, we need to type character code BC. So we need to type this character code BC. So as we can see, here is the 1/4 as so friends, as we can see, here is 1/4 symbol. So just you need to click on insert. That's it. So very simple and very quick method. We can use this 1/4 symbol in MS Word document. And if you want to use shortcut key, so for this symbol, shortcut key is Alt plus 0188. Alt plus 0188. So that's it friends. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.